And just when the weather seemed to be warming up, with temperatures hitting 16 degrees Celsius in the capital over the weekend, there was another blast of winter this Monday and Tuesday. Gangwon-do Province saw the worst of it, with up to a meter of snow. Our Kim Yeon-seung reports.
Winter isn't over just yet. Heavy snowfall in Gangwon-do Province started around 9 o'clock on Monday morning and continued until Tuesday afternoon in some areas.
The inland regions to the west of the Taebaek mountain range saw snow until Tuesday morning. In some mountainous regions near Gangwon-do Province's east coast, it's still snowing and will continue until 3 p.m. today.
The most affected regions saw snow pile up to almost a meter high. And on roads and highways, the snow caused traffic chaos. More than 700 cars were trapped along a 2-kilometer stretch of highway for more than 6 hours. Kim Yeon-seung, who was driving back to Seoul from the east coast city of Sokcho, was stuck in her car for almost 12 hours.
There was a truck in front of us that kept on sliding on the snow. There was so much traffic that the snow plows couldn't come in. All of us in the car didn't drink or eat at all because we couldn't go to the bathroom.
During this chaos, 1 person died and 94 were injured in car accidents. Work is underway to reopen roads in Gangwon-do Province. But snow clearers are finding it hard to reach some places due to the region's mountainous landscape. On the first day of the school year on Tuesday, 66 schools in the province were forced to declare a snow day. And meteorologists say that this might not be the last snow of the season. They forecast another snowfall coming to Gangwon-do Province this weekend. Kim Yeon-seung, Arirang News.